It's your girl Ro in the building, and I'm here to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my Valentine's Day special edition. Hey guys, are you excited to make this amazing treat? Well, get ready. Let's make some candied grapes. Here I'm going to be sharing with you how to make these, but first, let's get into my cleaning process. Here I have my grapes, and these are some large grapes that I found at the farmer's market. But my cleaning process is using this veggie wash, and I will leave the links in the description box below, but it's great for washing strawberries, grapes, any fruits and vegetables. But you use it and then you rinse. And then also, if you don't have it, you can use distilled vinegar, but please do not use dish soap for vegetables and fruits. Now these are made to order, and the shelf life for these strawberries are no longer than a week. All right, so when you do this cleaning process, you're removing the wax from the grapes. So let's get started. You're gonna need 2 cups of sugar, half cup of water, half cup of light corn syrup, and the items that you see here, I will leave links in the description box below this video. I will also share some links to some packaging ideas that you see here that I thought would be great for your candied grapes. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, make sure you do that cleaning process and then dry your grapes completely before dipping. Then you want to insert them with your skewers and make sure you do not pierce them all the way through. Just make sure they're inserted in the middle just enough and secured for dipping. Now you want to take your grapes, set them aside, and now let's add in our ingredients into a medium-sized saucepan. And once we have that, we're gonna mix until this is well combined. Then we're gonna take our candy thermometer. You want to make sure you watch the tip and insert it just into the mixture and not letting it touch the bottom of the pot. We're going to cook this on medium-high heat. If it's digital, between 5 to 6. And when it becomes to a boil and reaches the 300 degrees, you want to remove it. And this is what it's going to look like. Go ahead and add in your flavor. And now let's do our coloring. So I'm adding in the liquid gel, and this is the liquid gel food coloring. And this is the white, and I'm adding a little bit more so that it can be a white. And you just want to go ahead and dip and let majority of that candy mixture drain and then insert into your sprinkles. Now I want you guys to be very careful when dipping these because it is hot, because you need to move quickly but carefully. Now I'm going to use the same mixture and add 1 drop of the deep pink. Now this is why it's important not to add too much coloring, because if you do, your candy mixture will become thick. So watch how you are adding in your food coloring. Now I'm using some strawberry sour powder by Yum Crumbs. I will leave the link in the description box as well. And just the same as the sprinkles, you want to dip and drain majority of the candy mixture and then dip into the powder and just rotate it. Now, as I was doing this, I got some of this powder in my mixture, so I wasn't able to use the rest of it. So we're going to boil it out, and I got enough dipped just to get these few done. But as you're going to see in the next clip, I'm going to begin to clean this pot out, and I'm adding, filling it up with water so that I can boil it out. And once it comes to a boil and it becomes into a liquid form, I just pour it out into the sink. And this is what it looked like after I boiled it out. And this is what it looked like while after I clayed it. So I made another mixture, and now I'm going to just finish the process. Now, anytime that you see your candy mixture look like this, which is darkened, it has cooked too long. So y'all be careful. So it cooked over the 300-degree mark. So just keep in mind when you're making candy mixture, make them to the time that is instructed. So this is the red. This is the Super Red by Chef Masters. And I added in 1 drop. And as you see here, I'm dipping and just going through the process as the first mix. And then applying my grape right into my sprinkles. So after you have dipped your grapes, I recommend that you place them onto a silicone mat or aluminum foil pan, something that will not allow them to stick to. So here is the second mixture that I remade, and I applied in the deep pink. And I'm just going to finish up the rest of the grapes as you see here, and applying it to the strawberry sour powder mixture. Also, another tip I want to add is once you are done dipping your grapes and placing them on the surface, make sure they have some space apart, because if they're too close and they touch, then they stick together. So here are the grapes, and they look amazing. And now it's time for our plating. So here I'm doing my little plating setup as you've seen in the picture. So when you remove the stick, you want to pull out and twist. All right, here are the Valentine version of the candied grapes. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you are new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on. Turn that bell on, and I will see y'all in the next video.